I got Flies RC. Well, y'all remember I crashed my A6. Redemption. Broke down and bought another one. So here we go. It's the Freewing A-6 High Performance, the exact same one that I crashed. Learned the lesson the hard way, used the entire runway to take off and land. Don't try to do it in half the runway. Didn't have enough speed. Yeah, she got up off the ground, but I stalled into the grass over there, cracked the fuselage in half and around the front, destroyed one end of the wing, messed up the landing gear. Cost of replacement parts was over almost $300. Well, a new one's $359. Well, just didn't have it in the budget to replace it right away. Well, I finally did, and exact same setup, just got a clear coat, and this time I got an AR631 stability or a safe receiver in there, so help with that wing rock. Gonna fly in the AS3X. Okay, all right, and already done my range test, so I don't have to do that. Yes, I calibrated the ESC, and okay, a little nervous, but that's the way it is. I'm gonna take off in my mid rates. Going to use the entire runway. Now, the rates I'm on right now are 70% throws over 20% expo. I'm going to go down here because since this is my maiden, and I'll come back in position. Timer is set for 3.5 minutes. Let me make sure I got my timer stuff in there, or call outs done. Pretty sure I did. Yeah, I did. All right. Oh, not going to use takeoff flaps because I'm going into the wind. Now this is a maiden, so
time remaining 3 minutes.
She does need a little bit of up elevator.
Landing flaps, gear down.
What's that?
She disappeared on me.
Didn't like that approach.
Landing flaps, gear down.
Definitely going to have to do a flap mix.
Time remaining 2 minutes. Takeoff flaps, flaps up. Landing flaps. Flaps up.
Well, I tell you, I'm not going to be able to do. I think I got too much flaps. I know y'all can probably hear my heart. I think I know what my problem is. And I know I'm probably in the way of the camera right now. I think I got one flap not coming down. I don't think I got one. I think I got one flap not wanting to come down. I could be wrong, but I didn't cycle my flaps before I took off.
Take off flaps.
No.
Landing flaps. Take off.
No, they're fine.
Up.
So I think what I need to do is cut back on the flaps. I think I got them coming down too far.
Landing flaps. Flaps up.
Yeah, we'll try that.
Time remaining 1 minute.
She flies fine. All right. Try that again.
Gear up. Gear down. Landing flaps.
Yeah. Well, that just shows you what ground effect will do.
Flaps up.
She's in one piece, but I am just so nervous. Let me check that battery. Okay. Oh boy. Yeah, she's wanting to, kind of wanting to balloon on me. A little too much on, well, I don't know. Right now I'm so flustered. Oh, I can't even get that. 26%, so I don't dare take her up again. All right. Well, she balanced okay. She flies good. Got to work on my flap mix. I don't think I've got her. 26% left in the battery. Still a successful flight. To look at the battery bay, you can see where I've got that battery in there. That's the 4000, and basically I've got a little mark there from there back. Got an AR631 with the antenna going down in the ducted fan area, but obviously not going into the fan. And plenty of no problem with range, no problem with the retracts. I've just got to work on this landing. She'll land great. You just have to, gosh, I'm so rattled. Yeah, definitely she's wanting to dive on me when I put in flaps, and normally they want to balloon on you. So I'll actually have to put a little bit of up elevator in order to keep her flying perfectly straight. Now in the instructions, you want to have there is a seam that runs right along the side there. You want to have your elevator exactly on that seam, obviously on both sides. Otherwise you can have her to oscillate and act weird on you. But she flies great. I just gotta work on that landing. Y'all have a good one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. God bless y'all. And don't forget, faith, family, and friends, and jets, especially A6 Intruders. Bye-bye.